Peru, wari do. Call me Coca. Baby,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this really gorgeous smoky eyes going on for you guys. I used the the Urban Decay Alice Through the Looking Glass palette. It is this really gorgeous palette. I don't know why I have never really used it. If at most I've used it, it's probably just once, and I'm just like, you have this palette and you haven't been using it? Well, I got it on sale, so I guess money is not pinching me like that. Because if I bought it at the actual price, which is like 50 something, I think it was a limited edition palette, and I was like, why not, let me get it. They're having a sale, a Black Friday sale, I believe that was when I got it. But anyways, I created this really gorgeous look, and I really love how it turned out. I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna be using you more often. But yeah, this is the look, and so if you want to see how I achieved the look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by priming my face with my Estee Lauder primer and my Becca primer. So this is where I made a mistake for this look, because these two matte primers that normally will go together did not go together for me, so my whole face was dry, and you're gonna see during the course of the video. And as usual, I'm using my Bobbi Brown foundation in SPF skin foundation SPF 10.25. You guys know I love this foundation, so I'm gonna be using it like all the time, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna blend that out, starting from the perimeters of my face and then working my way into my face. Use a damp beauty blender. That is the key to the proper blending. So I'm gonna use my LA Girl chestnut primer in toast. I don't know if you guys can see, like the center of my face was like so dry, like my T-zone was so matte, especially before I had put the concealer. I had to go back with some more foundation just to help me, because it was a lot of work. So that whole area was the part that was dry. In fact, my whole face really, but that whole T-zone where I put like the double primer. So I'm gonna start by blending that out, starting with the outer part. Make sure it blends properly with the foundation and work my way in. I go back and forth with the place I use for my foundation to blend it out. I had to go back with my Makeup Forever smoothing primer, the one I normally use. Oh my gosh, I had to go back with it because it's not a mattifying primer, it's like a pore filler, and then I had to go back on top of that so that it could help me blend. It was so annoying. Anyway, so I just blend. So I had to even go back with the concealer to some places that were patchy, you know, all of that. Anyways, mixing my Airspun powder and my Laura Mercier setting powder in medium. I'm setting my face. You can see underneath my eyes that it's a bit patchy. So yeah, the struggle was real. Anyway, so you just want to set your face with that, and you want to press that into your face, not just leave it there to just bake, quote and unquote. I took that out right away because the way my face was just dry, I just had to take it out. Anyway, so I went into my Morphe matte palette, 35mm palette, and I just contoured my face, you know, the usual. I love this as a contour. I can't even shout. Anyways, I'm cleaning underneath that contour with that same setting powder combination, and I'm using my MAC NW58 powder as per usual to blend everything together. Now I'm going to use that same contour brush I used to clean up my nose. The reason why I don't bother so much most times when my face is patchy is because when I use setting powder, it all comes together. So setting spray, I mean setting powder. Anyways, I go back with a little bit of contour just to bring that out again, you know. Now into my Alice Through the Looking Glass palette, I'm taking this shade right here that, oh my goodness, you guys can see nothing was showing. I don't even know why I was still trying, like it was obvious. Oh my, anyways, before that I had set my eyes with my Illegal Pro Concealer in right, like what was I supposed to do with that? I put a little bit of light ivory, my Illegal Pro Concealer and light ivory, just to, you know, make the base a little bit. I really need, if you guys know where to get the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the States, please let me know, because I heard that thing is good. All the other eyeshadow bases I've used, I don't get it. I'm gonna have to go back with my my MAC soft ochre or pink pot. I'm gonna try and use that. Anyways, I used that blue and put that right in my crease, and it wasn't even, as you guys can see from here, it didn't blend well. Like you guys can see how patchy that blue was. Then I went in with that dark navy blue shimmery shade, using my fingers to apply because that just makes the color pop. Then I went back with some blue again, and now it is like, you know, like looking more, you know, but before it wasn't blending. I'm just going back and forth to apply both eyeshadows. Then I'm going back with that brush and a little bit of that, you know, you won't see, but it just helped me to blend it. So right underneath my eyes, I'm taking that shimmery color, the one I put in my center lid, and then I'm gonna go back with that blue one and I'm gonna smoke it out, smudge it out a bit. And I'm just, you know, cleaning up underneath my eye area. And now I'm just gonna put a little bit of I'm gonna line my waterline just to bring out that, you know, my eyes, make it crisp, you know. And then I'm gonna put that in the top as well, although you won't really see it, but just so you know, when I put my lashes, it's looking like it's placed well. Going into that gold, not the pinkish one, the gold one, and I'm just gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes, kind of like, you know, the whole look where the inner corner is like really highlighted. Then I'm gonna take that shade from my Juvia's Space Saharan Blush 2 palette, and I'm gonna clean up underneath my brows. The look eventually came together. I was happy because the process of the eyes on the face, anyways, I'm using that same highlighter to highlight my face. You guys know that I love this highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna try to be using other highlighters, but bruh, I have found it. And then I'm just highlighting my whole face, you know, my forehead, my chin, my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. And then I'm taking this, my Invisible Glow highlighter. You all know that I love this highlighter too. And I'm just putting it right on top of that. It doesn't really show, but there's just something it just does to my highlighter. So yeah, I just like to put it on top. So taking all the colors, I just dipped and dabbed, and I'm just gonna blush up my face. I've been loving blush a lot lately, so before I wouldn't make it as pronounced as it is now, but now I like to, you know, show a little bit of blush. Now I'm taking my two favorite setting sprays for this summer. Actually, I think for all time. The NYX matte spray first, and right on top of that I put a little bit of the dewy one for that dewy glow. You're gonna find it in immediately. As per usual, my Maybelline Wet n Wild brow pencil, I am gonna line my lips with those, and I am going to use, I believe this is this Anastasia? Oh Lord have mercy. Is it color? I believe this is Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in sepia, and I am going to put that on my lips. You can leave the look like this if you're all about that matte lips, those matte lips or whatever, but I don't like matte lips at all. I only do it a few times because my lips just keep cracking and cracking. Anyways, so I just go back and forth and blend, and right on top of that I am putting Fenty gloves on. This is my favorite combination for nude lips. Like, this just gives me like this perfect nude with like a pinkish tint, which I love. And so I just put gloss bomb on top of that, so you still get to retain that look. And that's it, guys.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look right here. I just went to put on some jewelry and just put on the ponytail or whatever that we have going on here. You guys, this ponytail, I am in love. I am in love, I am in love, I am in love, child. Yeah, I'm in love. Anyways, this is the finished look. Let me know what your thoughts are on this look. If there's any look you guys want me to do, anything you guys want me to do, let me know, and if I can do it by the grace of God, I'll bring it to you guys. So I'm getting ready to leave the house now because it's Sunday, so we're about to go praise the Lord, child. When this video comes out, it'll probably be sometime during the week. But this is Sunday. But anyways, don't forget to leave, guys, and not exist, okay? And do have a blessed day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Peru, wari do. Call me Coca. Baby, call it work. Shoot.